We rely on our tech devices now more than ever, but as technology advances, limited battery life continues to be our biggest headache. Everyone can relate. Your device dies just as you are waiting for an important call or email, and you don't have the right cable or power source. Introducing allroundo Pro, our third-generation all-in-one charging solution. allroundo Pro is our essential on-the-go charging station for all your devices. It is a magnetic wireless charger and power bank in one and can charge up to 4 devices at the same time, wirelessly with USB-C or micro USB. The magnetic power bank has 10,000 mAh and is also an Apple Watch charging base which supports inductive charging. The power bank itself can also be charged wirelessly, and when charged with the cable it can even supports reverse charging function, meaning it can charge while being charged. The cable extends up to 60 centimeters in length for maximum flexibility when charging and supports data transfer as well as power delivery up to 60 watt. The power bank has been perfectly designed so that it can be equipped with Backflip Mag, our magnetic phone grip for MagSafe devices. Backflip Mag guarantees a secure hold and has a vertical and horizontal kickstand function. Use the horizontal kickstand to stream your favorite series or videos. Easily rotate Backflip Mag and use the kickstand vertically to attend in video calls. Back allroundo Pro now and get it cheaper than ever.